फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल होम लर्निंग। पिछले वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ सेंस नेम्स के बारे में डिस्कस कर रही थी और वीडियो के एंड में मैंने आप लोगों के लिए एक क्वेश्चन दिया था और वो क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज़ द न्यू नेम ऑफ बोगीबिल ब्रिज ऑफ असम, और इसका आंसर है अटल सेतु। फ्रेंड्स, आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ आर्टिकल्स ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी। वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने जा रही है, तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Right to education is related to which article? Answer: Article 21A. Question number 2. Protection of life and personal liberty is related to which article? Answer: Article 21. Question number 3. Abolition of untouchability is related to which article? Answer: Article 17. Question number 4. Abolition of titles is related to which article? Answer: Article 18. Question number 5. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment is related to which article? Answer: Article 16. Question number 6. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth is related to which article? Answer: Article 15. Question number 7. The President of India is related to which article? Answer: Article 52. Question number 8. Promotion of international peace and security is related to which article? Answer: Article 51. Question number 9. Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry is related to which article? Answer: Article 48. Question number 10. Uniform Civil Code for the citizens is related to which article? Answer: Article 44. Question number 11. Organization of village panchayats is related to which article? Answer: Article 40. Question number 12. Procedure for the impeachment of the president is related to which article? Answer: Article 61. Question number 13. Establishment and Constitution of Supreme Court is related to which article? Answer: Article 124. Question number 14. Power of President to promulgate ordinances during recess of Parliament is related to which article? Answer: Article 123. Question number 15. Courts not to inquire into proceedings of Parliament is related to which article? Answer: Article 122. Question number 16. Definition of money bill is related to which article? Answer: Article 110. Question number 17. Joint sitting of both houses in certain cases is related to which article? Answer: Article 108. Question number 18. Attorney General of India is related to which article? Answer: Article 76. Question number 19. Power of President to grant pardon and to suspend, remit or commute in certain cases is related to which article? Answer: Article 72. Question number 20. The Vice President of India is related to which article? Answer: Article 63. Question number 21. Power of High Courts to issue certain rights is related to which article? Answer: Article 226. Question number 22. High Courts to be court of record is related to which article? Answer: Article 215. Question number 23. High Courts for States is related to which article? Answer: Article 214. Question number 24. Power of governor to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature is related to which article? Answer: Article 213. Question number 25. Power of governor to grant pardon and to suspend, remit or commute in certain cases is related to which article? Answer: Article 161. Question number 26. Appointment of governor is related to which article? Answer: Article 155. Question number 27. Governors of state is related to which article? Answer: Article 153. Question number 28. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is related to which article? Answer: Article 148. Question number 29. Power of President to consult Supreme Court is related to which article? Answer: Article 143. Question number 30. Supreme Court to be a court of record is related to which article? Answer: Article 129. Question number 31. All India Services is related to which article? Answer: Article 312. Question number 32. Finance Commission is related to which article? Answer: Article 280. Question number 23. Contingency Fund is related to which article? Answer: Article 267. Question number 34. Constitution of Municipalities is related to which article? Answer: Article 243Q. Question number 35. Constitution of Panchayats is related to which article? Answer: Article 243B. Question number 36. High Courts for Union Territories is related to which article? Answer: Article 241. Question number 37. Provision in case of failure of constitution machinery is related to which article? Answer: Article 239AB. Question number 38. Special provision with respect to Delhi is related to which article? Answer: Article 239AA. Question number 39. Establishment of a common high court for two or more states is related to which article? Answer: Article 231. Question number 40. Power of Supreme Court to issue certain rights is related to which article? Answer: Article 139. Question number 41. Provision as to financial emergency is related to which article? Answer: Article 360. Question number 42. Suspension of provisions of Article 19 during emergency is related to which article? Answer: Article 358. Question number 43. Provision in case of failure of constitutional machinery in state is related to which article? Answer: Article 356. Question number 44. Proclamation of emergency is related to which article? Answer Article 352. Question number 45. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes is related to which article? Answer Article 338A. Question number 46. National Commission for Scheduled Caste is related to which article? Answer Article 338. Question number 47. Reservation of seats for SCs and STs in the legislative assemblies for the states is related to which article? Answer Article 332. Question number 48. Reservation of seats for SCs and STs in the House of the People is related to which article? Answer Article 330. Question number 49. Superintendence, Direction and Control of Election Commission is related to which article? Answer Article 324. Question number 50. Power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure therefore is related to which article? आंसर आर्टिकल 368। अब जो क्वेश्चन में देने वाली हूँ इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट बॉक्स में बताना है और वो क्वेश्चन है विच आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया सेफगार्ड्स वंस राइट टू मैरी द पर्सन ऑफ वंस चॉइस। फ्रेंड्स आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।